Top 5 Most Powerful NATO Military Aircraft. The F-22 Raptor is a 5th-generation fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. It is considered one of the most advanced air superiority aircraft in the world, combining stealth technology, super maneuverability, and state-of-the-art sensors. Combat characteristics: stealth technology. Extremely low radar signature, making it difficult to detect. Super cruise. Can fly at supersonic speeds, Mach 1.8, without afterburning. Super maneuverability. Thrust vectoring nozzles that allow extreme maneuvers in close combat. AESA radar. Simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets at long ranges. Due to the combination of stealth, speed, and technology, the F-22 is considered a force multiplier and an extremely difficult aircraft to counter in air combat. The Boeing F-15EX Eagle II is the most modern version of the F-15 family, developed by Boeing for the United States Air Force. It is a 4.5-generation aircraft specializing in air superiority and precision strikes, with a large payload capacity and advanced technology. Role: air superiority and multi-role attack, AESA radar, simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets. High weapons capacity, can carry over 13 tons of ammunition, up to 12 to 22 air-to-air missiles, missile truck configuration. Advanced Electronic Warfare System, EPAWSS. Top speed, approximately Mach 2.5. Long range and superior autonomy compared to many modern aircraft. The F-15EX combines the aerodynamic performance of the classic F-15 platform with modern technology, providing high firepower and operational flexibility. The F-35 Lightning II is a 5th-generation multi-role fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin. It is designed for air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare, making it one of the most advanced military aircraft in service. Stealth technology, reduced radar signature, advanced sensor fusion, provides the pilot with a complete tactical picture. Electro-optical system, EOTS and DAS, 360 degrees visibility. Internal armament to maintain stealth, AIM-120, AIM-9X, JDAM, etc. Maximum speed, approximately Mach 1.6. Combat range, approximately 1,000 kilometers, depending on version. Crew, 1 pilot. The F-35 is designed for interoperability between allies and to dominate the modern battlefield through technology, connectivity, and versatility. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a 4.5-generation multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the European consortium Eurofighter GmbH. It is designed for air superiority, but also has advanced ground attack capabilities. Main features: Canard Delta design, provides excellent maneuverability. Engines: 2x EJ200, high thrust/weight ratio. Top speed, approximately Mach 2. Super cruise, can fly supersonic without afterburning. Captor radar, AESA in new versions. IRST Pirate system for passive detection. Modern avionics and integration with NATO systems. Various armament. air-to-air missiles, Meteor, AMRAAM, IRIS-T, guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles. The Eurofighter Typhoon is appreciated for its agility in air combat and for its ability to execute complex missions in modern combat environments. The Dassault Rafale is a 4.5 generation multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. It is designed to perform a wide range of missions: air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, and naval missions. Main features: Canard Delta design, high maneuverability, top speed, approximately Mach 1.8, ASARB-2-AA radar, advanced spectra electronic warfare system. Omni-role, multi-role capability, can change mission during flight. Various armament: air-to-air missiles, Meteor, MICA, air-to-surface missiles, guided bombs, Exocet anti-ship missile, long autonomy, and mid-air refueling capability. The Rafale is appreciated for its versatility, integration of modern avionics, and ability to operate from both land bases and aircraft carriers.